They found friends, I guess.
Final round. Beginning ring countdown.
Dun, 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 dun.
I was gonna load in. Is that? Not even searching.
Ooh, they got humiliated.
Dang.
Mm.
Oh, Rez sent a party invitation. You wanna join? Oh,
Let's see. Ah, she left.
hold on.
She's not here.
Maybe there's old. No, she's not here. Maybe there's old invitations. I don't know.
What was her name? A long lane.
Rez?
She had a long,
Crazy. Yes.
Da, 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 da. Was starting with R, right?
Yeah, Reese. Hold on.
I don't see her. Maybe her name is different. Wait. I will figure it out.
I don't fear.
Not this one. Not
Oh,
this
Poppy sent me a
one.
friend request.
What, puppy?
Oh, you probably sent a friend request a while ago on Steam or something. Oh, I'm not on Xbox. I can't see the recent players. Should be in your stream, no? Why does it take me to my own stream?
Dream?
No, it should be in your stream. If I go back, right?
Ah, her name you mean, right?
Yeah.
For her name, yes, you can see.
Oh, but you're not streaming.
I do on YouTube now, just to check something. I will compare the two quality platform for quality, and we'll see which one is better. This
I
is
think
the
Kick is
reason.
better.
Really? But
Yeah.
the quality is better on YouTube, man. It's crystal clear.
I've heard no issues on Kick. And usually Kick looks a lot better than Twitch, so.
Yeah, of course. I think it's better than Twitch, but YouTube is I don't know, man. I have a lot of fun when I rewatch my streams. When I see the quality, it's crazy. I have so much fun. For example, I still have the very old game which we played on Apex. You remember? When we first played and we first met. I mean, not maybe exactly the same matches with you, but those time in those days I was streaming too, and I still keep the streams.
Nice.
Yeah, so I really enjoy. I can't do this in these platforms, not Kick, either Twitch, but YouTube is like time,
It's like Facebook, yeah.
time, yeah, time. What was the word? Timeline.
Yeah, it saves the timelines. Yeah. Mine got
Imagine.
deleted because the Athena scope shut down. I used to do Athena scope where that collected all the clips and made a montage for me.
Yeah, YouTube I think is better because you can do so many things. So many things. Okay, I got this person. His name is Shark Lard. Shark. Check for S M E R. Yes, I found him. What the heck? This is not this person.
No, it's probably not him.
No, the game.
I read the profile where he was from.
Yes, this is the person.
I've got my eye on you.
Her level is 65, 61 and still plays very good. Great, man. Yeah, his name is Shark. LXRD.
I thought it was
found him.
Reese.
I found him. Yes, but it's team name. But the game name is changing.
Mm.
Let's play some pups.
Let's break some circuits.
Wow, cool.
I'm great at the catch. It's not so much the release, capisci?
We've got a job to do, so shift your carcass.
Can you hear me?
I'm the jump master, and you won't regret it. Fly like an arrow! Oh, we should scout that area.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown. We're not all in the ring. Check your positions. Attention. First blood. That's the first of many lights to go out. Wild card slot has been unlocked. Replicator there. We haven't all used it.
Sending out a tracker dart?
Écoutez, training enemies. One landed near me.
Put down an opponent.
Surviving. I just stabilized my captain.
Where?
We're right next to the ring. Target scanning and tracked. Enemy down.
Enough. I'm reviving myself. Just stopping off my shields. Done.
The ring is near. I'm closing in 30. I'm it. Got an enemy. Who's next? Enemy down. Oh, you're alright.
I got
Hey,
you.
Duro, you got this.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Tracker scanning.
Ring's just ahead.
Drone state going out. Firing.
Behind us or where?
Need to go. Ring's moving. Hostile close. Move this shield now.
Another nice look. Firing stinger. Guarda, enemy track. Shooting at me.
I'm taking damage. Stopping off my shield.
Hey, you lost, but I had fun. Getting shot at. I'm down. Nobody look. Close. Oh, fuck. Me now. Stay my door.
Fuck.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Find comfort in the light.
I need help.
Always look out for the little guy. Now, I'm not talking about me. I'm just petite.
Get ready. Today is not gonna be easy.
Rock up. It's time to move out.
I'm the jump master. Se lo dici tu.
I'm feeling good about that spot right there.
I feel a good rhythm from this spot. Yeah!
amici! Let's go!
Safety's off. Enemy landed on me.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Enemy landed on me.
Attention. First blood.
Silence. A broken enemy shield.
Attention. A wild-card slot has been unlocked.
Up in the chimney. Give me a sec. Reach up. Watch it. Hostile landing close. Oscar Mike. I'm spotted.
Am I dead already?
They got me. I'm down.
Enemy shields, bro. Listen up, got another squad coming in. Thermal grenade out. I'm down.
Drop shock and rock.
For taking me. Boom! Tracker set. Tracking an enemy. Let the ambush begin. Bullseye. Enemy
No.
down.
Feels good to be back. Let's show them how it's done.
I'm never quit. Remember that.
They're shooting at us.
Spotted.
I'm hit. Bullseye. Enemy track. Drone state going out.
I'm down. Not giving up. Reviving myself. Sergeant first class in
My weapon is so bad.
redeploying and not dead yet. Give my shields a recharge.
Kill leader eliminated.
Drone state going out.
Taking fire.
Just me now.
You can find me.
Drop shock and rock.
Thermite grenade out. Chucking a thermite grenade.
It's good to be back. Let's show them. He's led. They got me.
No, I'm down.
I think people are cheating, dude. Every time I land, they just know exactly where I'm at.
Thanks for sticking with me. Seriously.
In progress.
Like, seriously, I've never seen that much.
It's good to be back.
I'm
We got
back.
company, people.
Didn't really have any other plans.
Double timing it. I broke
What's happening, man?
Down to target. Reloaded. Kill confirmed.
Oh, new supplies dropping. I could use more stuff.
Kill leader.
Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
Ah, there's a new kill leader. Huh. For now, we lost one. Hey, just you and me now.
Bring it in then. I'm coming in.
Setting a tracker. Sending out a drone stave.
You can't keep it down. Last us back.
Kill leader appointed.
Time to move. This way. Opponent right here. Reloading. Tracker out and scanning for enemies. Guarda, enemy tracked.
Spotted. Double timing.
Took out an enemy. Who's next? Enemy down. Recharging my shields.
Knocking at the door.
Airstrike. Company moving ready. Opening fire. The enemy shield is broken. Go get him, Stinger. Sending out the tracker down. Reloading.
Check the sector. He's got me.
Opponent found. Third party right. They're gonna regret. No, I'm down.
Gotta keep my head on the swivel. You enemy.
Drop shock and rock.
Hey, thanks for sticking with me. Seriously.
Third party. They're trying to corner us. Spotted. Double timing. My shields are recharging.
Thought I'd come back. Help out, fight strangers, whatever. Drone stage going. Shield is broken.
Shields are recharged.
Complete.
Recharging my shields, cover me. Take your time. The ring is close and there's a whole meal to play.
Kill confirmed. Another notch on the belt. Recharging shield.
The enemy's been tracked. I'm down, but nobody look.
Jetty, help me.
Time to move, this way.
Just bleed out, I'm not near you.
Need some help.
Fire. Down to target.
Ragazzi,
Confirm kill.
somebody help me out.
Looks like I pulled a fast one on you, amigo.
All right, love a fresh start.
Attention. Buster
There's a care package
For
coming
taking me
down.
out, they will pay with blood. Time
Right.
to party.
Off the right. Taking fire. Firing. I broke the enemy shield.
Tracker out. A tra poco. Guarda, enemy track.
Tango down.
Halos up. Get inside and get wrapped, alright?
Recharging my shields, cover
Rock,
me.
shock, and rock. Time to drop, shock, and rock.
Listen up, got another squad coming in.
Enemy down.
Gundam.
What is that?
The Zapper Gundam. Like a Megazord Zap Beamer.
Oh.
That's why it's Gundam. Your laser. Yeah. Like Star Trek. The Death Star. Boom.
Wow. Wow. Crazy, huh?
I'm here.
Crazy. He's a bad player, but
Seatbelt there.
you're not dying.
Hmm?
You don't die. Ah, you press B? Hmm. To fly.
You're good, I'm good. If we lose, it's the other donut's fault.
Play with me. See what happens.
Everyone forgets to look up. You lot are so terrestrial.
I'll be back.
I'm feeling good
Alright.
about that spot right there.
Hold on tight. It's time to drop, shock, and rock.
Hostiles dropping near me. About to get shocked and rocked.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Being shot at. Broken enemy shield. Here's a pick-me-up, pals.
Attention.
Grenade deployed. Be with me. Get down.
Attention. First blood.
We spot a bother. Me and you are down. Just surviving myself. Pause. Enemy here. Whew. Can't keep a good astronaut grounded. Shields recharge. Grenade. An enemy touchdown nearby. They got And me. you're not looking for a couple.
A damn Gundam
An
guy.
enemy touchdown nearby. And
Hey,
Jet, are you
Is
there?
that your shield? Huh?
Are you dead?
Yeah, the Gundam has extra shield, I guess.
Where?
Inside.
Contact on my marker.
What the fuck?
He's red. Now, you're mine.
Yeah, they're teaming up.
Not some amped cover. Look down an enemy.
I crashed at who was in shield.
Enemy down.
Enemy removed. Just need a wee pick-me-up.
Got another enemy down.
We spot a bother.
Took out a whole lot on that one. Enemy's shield broke. Enemy down. Giving my shield a recharge.
Can you smoke gently and rest?
Giving him the hold tight. I got your back.
Enemy's shield broke. This way, mix. Kill the Blanca. Getting some damage. Sending out drone stiff.
Giving him the ship. We're inside the ring. Got the position. Are we empty right here?
Charging my shields.
Taking damage.
Amped cover for you, mates.
Got him.
Enemy removed from the data pool.
Shields recharging. Enemy spotted. Let's relocate. He's spotted. Double timing it. Stinger coming in. Red.
Last one standing, huh? All right, Sheila.
Taking a wee back
Time to go to
damage.
work.
Aye. We downed another. We've got another squad on. Shields recharge. Pause.
Right here. But, nah, you good? Looking at him.
Pharaoh's very mad.
Enemy here. Up close and in my critical phase. Enemy's
I
shield
am on
broke.
mark. Firing for effect.
They have double reload!
Cracked an enemy's shield. Took down an enemy. Charging my shields.
Coming.
The windows, remember.
Why my position is revealed?
This one's free. Remember that.
Because it's Pharaoh darts.
Giving us my cover.
Those darts are OP.
Shield broke. I'm down. Back up.
Reloaded.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Kill confirmed. Shields recharging.
Taking some damage.
Fire. Rock grenade.
Reloading.
Where?
It's up top.
Enemy's shield broke.
Dead.
Looking real pretty now.
Dead.
Killed a hooligan. Recharging my shields.
Charging my shield. Throwing thermite.
Have been stopped.
Enemy down.
Good job.
Replicator with goodies there. We should go say hello. Push here.
Bad guy, outside of orbit. Reloading.
There's a baddie.
Another squad bombing the heads and
Weapons looking real pretty now. Charging my shields.
rings nearby. 1 minute till close.
Reloading.
Let's shift our orbits that way. Heads up. Dropping the plane.
Ring's closing in 45. Hey, it's out. Check out this one.
They got me.
You just camped on top of that thing.
Getting shot at. 30 seconds before the ring closes. At least it's close. Charging my shields.
Buster rifle being fired. Back in action, dear. Time to drop, shock, and rock. Buster rifle being fired.
Gundam got you.
Now that's a view to me.
Thought I'd come back.
Plunkers are gonna fire on me.
Oh shit.
Charging my shields.
I'm down.
You noob.
Rings
Why did you give up? I was like
Hey, mate,
next to
we're
you.
down one.
Ooh, free loot.
Gundam would come back again if I stayed alive.
Yeah, but
Buster rifle being delivered. Another squad's popping their heads in. And they're enemy.
I die.
A care package.
Here's an enemy.
Do not look away. Courage first.
Time to run.
Shields recharging.
Go, go, go. Ooh, this is cool.
Yep, sorry. We all need a bathroom break.
They're shooting
That
at
way.
me. Shields recharging.
Back in action, mates.
On me.
Cracked an enemy shield. Reloading.
Idiot.
Enemy shield. Tango down.
On me.
Confirm kill. Another squad's popping their heads in. And they're
Drone safe going out.
Me and you are down. Dead rail here.
Well,
Hey, mate. We're down one.
There is a new kill.
Reloading.
got myself. Gundam.
The last one standing, huh?
You're noob.
All right, Sheila. Time to go to work. I'm cover for you, mates. This one's free. Remember that.
Alright, back from a weekend.
Cover, mates. Getting shot at. Plunkers are gonna fire on me.
Wow.
I'm the last one
Wow.
standing. All right, Sheila. Time to go to work.
Everything's annoying, I told you.
Did you see that? Well, I was in phase.
Win it or lose it. You
Crazy.
Nope.
You need to upgrade your abilities.
On my way, mates. Now you go.
Gotcha, man.
Bring it. Come on in.
I ulted. So heads up.
Charging my shields.
Down to target.
We killed the kill leader.
Took out the kill leader.
Enemy's shield broke. Reloading.
Ring close.
Charging my
I
shields.
totally missed that smoke, huh?
I need shields.
Oh, do you have shields?
In progress. Rings closing.
I need shields.
New team.
don't know how to do it.
Do what?
Deploying stuff.
Ah, alt.
How?
You click on alt and then place it with your mouse.
I don't know. Doesn't work for me.
And you get a bullet, and you get a bullet, and you get a bullet. Sheila's coming. Don't get in her way. Eh?
Broken enemy.
This way, mates.
I should have fell.
I'm cover for you, mates.
I had no shields, man. Wow, you should check that, man. You should check that. It's incredible. You select some abilities with the harvester. What's called?
Random.
You go to craft and craft abilities. There are some abilities when you get shot with the sniper, Kraber sniper. You go, you phase out from the game like you are raid. Wow. Basically, when you get hit by that thing, you go like raid queue, you know, and it doesn't kill you. It's crazy. Don't forget to select your abilities when there are crafters. I don't remember what I have selected. I had grapple too, man. On Rampart, I had grapple. Did you know that?
Yeah. But then it was only like double jump and grenades and stuff.
Then, of course, utter mayhem.
And dashes.
Either you fight with me and we win,
While
or you fight with
while
someone
running,
else and
I remember.
Yeah. I haven't
I'm
tried.
surprised they stopped doing the wall running.
Your teammates are, and your enemies too, actually.
I
Wall
think there
running
was.
is so OP.
Yeah, but I think I did replicate the previous match.
Yeah, but you're basically like Sparrow. You're climbing up the wall and you're wall running and you're able to
Yeah,
jump.
but if you don't have the in the replicator, if you don't have those options, you cannot select. It always changes.
Let's
Yeah,
get
it always
over
changes,
there,
yeah.
mates. Ring the party! Watch out! Some weird bloke just about landed
Hi,
on
kids.
top of you. I'm cover for you, mates. Getting attacked by another squad. My shields are
Knock, knock. I'm here. Pathfinder.
In the back weapon.
An enemy landed. It did me.
back in action, mates.
An enemy landed near me. We've got another squad on us, darling. A broken enemy. Me and you are down.
Oi, enemy landed nearby. Better pull up your pants.
Attention. The kill leader has been
I'm
eliminated.
back, darling. Guess it was only a flesh
Third
wound.
party arrived. I'm down. Nobody look. That's an enemy landing nearby. Got to keep an eye on them.
We lost one. Just us now, mate. Throwing thermite.
Dumpster landed close by. A broken enemy shield.
Oh, taking me out.
I'm sending out a drone, Steve.
Attenzione.
We've got another squad on us. Broken enemy shield.
They don't like me.
Nice shot, babe.
I need to help.
0 miles an hour.
Singularity. Yep, sorry. We all need a bathroom break.
I'm back. Didn't really have any other plans.
Hey, mate. We're down one. I'm the last one standing, huh? All right, Sheila. Time to go to work. Amp cover for you, mate. We lost one. Just us now, mate.
Last
there's-
sweater on now.
Another squad coming in.
What is that shit thing?
Broken enemy shield.
Giving my shields a recharge.
I have no.
What is that thing on them, like shield?
I have no clue.
Down. Nobody look.
Killed us, Williams.
Hey, mate. We're down. Attacked by another squad. Enemy. I'm down.
Broken enemy shield.
Fuck, man, I couldn't run.
We should do that again. Only next time.
We're fighting. Ready to ruin someone's day.
Yep, sorry. We all need a bathroom. Ring the party!
I'm back, darlings. Guess it was only a pleasure.
Some drunk shooting at me. No sweating bullets on my account. Grandpa, that. Pathetic. Down.
Mr. Pathfinder.
They're shooting at me. Me and you are down.
Track her out. God, we lost one. It's just you and me now.
Back it up. Everyone else is down. I can't take them anywhere.
All right.
Enemy down. Kalas. Knock down one more.
So that come back. Help out. Whatever.
Weapons looking real pretty now. Killed a Blanca.
Killed a hooligan.
Replicator with goodies there. Go say hello.
We've got another squad on.
Drone set going out.
Anyway, another squad spotted the
Did they come? Did they come?
Mitch, check out this way.
Wanna see my
Well done.
singularity?
Yes, that went faster. And against strategy, be safe, extra be safe, zero sacrifice.
Enemy track.
They got me. Nice shot, though. Guess what?
I knew that strategy would work.
No.
Oi, replicator there, and it's still got the goods.
Oh, the sweater on.
Man, when I was knocked, he finished me. You know what happened to my body? I exploded and I did broke his fire shield because of the ability I have selected.
Yeah, when you get down or something.
Yeah, you get down when he finishes you, you explode, and his body shield broke. If she doesn't have body shield, she dies probably.
Mm-hmm. So many different perks now.
Game mode. Wow, I haven't. I mean, I didn't enjoy this much.
Wild card's very fun. It's like King's Canyon, basically. all the time.
It is a good day to win, unwind in the lounge, and eat Ramya's leftovers. She never knows it's me. Hunting people for money. Huh. Reminds me of home.
Ready, steady, go!
Master of the jump right here.
You're gonna see a lot of me.
Replicator there. We haven't all used it. Follow the lead. Pirouette. They call it a pirouette. It's not a pirouette. I'm gonna check out that area.
Hello, guys.
I got a lot of guns over here.
Alternator here. Common. Eva shotgun here. Common.
Ooh. Let's go for the
Replicator
replicator.
there. Better to use it and not need it than need it and we'll be dead. Sending out a drone stave. Fly, little one. Be free.
We definitely need this replicator abilities.
Replicator here. Enemy landed near me. Faking them out with a
Defense enabled, whatever that means.
That's it. Weapons are stored, move fast, and gain double jump. Highlight enemies around you while.
Not for long, pal.
I don't know what I have selected. When you stop your weapon, you move faster and double jump.
1 more minute, amigo. Rings right there. So close.
Enemy shield cracked. Rings close. 45 seconds. Bad news. I'm down. Took down an opponent.
Fuck, I suck, man. I suck.
Enemy down. Tell me you guys are filming this. 30 seconds. Rings close.
No worries, brother. No worries.
I'm back. Did you miss me? You did miss me, right? Go and
Hi kids. Hi kids. It didn't matter, I ulted him.
Sending out another meme. Damn, it's good looking. Giving my shield to recharge.
Did I die? Taking fire! You would tell me if I died, no? I'm down!
Okay, don't worry. I'm coming to help. I have to do extra work. Troops to the rescue. Giving my shield to recharge. You got bamboozled.
They were confused, they didn't know if I was a real person.
Enemy killed. I took care of it, don't worry. Give me my shield. Okay, don't worry, I'm coming to help.
We lost a teammate. I hate that. I'm back.
Broken enemy shield.
I've broken a 40 shield.
I'm down.
Check that out. Taking damage. I ran away from the light, compadre. Let's go.
He got me.
360. Little.
Just you and me.
Pirouette!
That's all
It's not a pirouette. It's not a pirouette.
Just how I like it. Reloading.
And I'm back. I mean, I never left. Definitely didn't get killed. Been here the whole time. All right, let's do this.
I'm back. Didn't really have any other plans. Charging up my shields.
Sending out a drone stave. Fly. Be free.
seconds. No.
Match your weapons
I
to your
suck,
set.
man.
That's what I do.
Look at the end here, going. That's a hard spot.
I just didn't like my weapon, man. I don't like shotguns.
IBRB. Be right back.
Hello, my friends.
Oh, I love a good party, mate. Best way to show off the gear.
Try to knock me down. I'm here to stay.
If only Nonna could see me now. She's watching. Her eyes are just bad.
I'm Jumpmaster.
Join
Right,
my
if you
experiment
insist.
below.
Let's show these fools why their parents never loved them.
My teammate is AFK, so I will land here.
Fancy going this way?
Nice, already in the next ring. Time for a gelato?
Replicator here. Got plenty of mass-made juice.
Oh, who got first blood? I was sure it would be me.
Right, now this is what I'm talking about.
I'll try Wingman this time.
Meet me here, mates. I'm sending out a drone stave.
Got an enemy trying to land on Gibraltar.
I'm sending out a drone stave.
Watch it. Shield up.
Grenade, watch it! Charging my shields. Frag out. Throwing thermite. Crap, I'm down. There's an enemy. Oh, crap, I'm down.
Wow, where did you come from, man?
And I put it there.
Killed an enemy. I'm back and ready to hit him harder.
Just a flesh wound, mates. I'm back. Well done, mates. We're inside the next ring. You can all calm down a bit. Drone stave going out.
Taking fire, brothers. Recharging shields.
Putting up some amped cover. Amped cover's getting packed up. Getting damaged.
I need shields.
Calling back my drone stave.
Shield shield mode.
Getting shot.
Charging my shields.
No good, brothers. I've been down.
Getting attacked by another squad. Took down an enemy. Enemy down.
Nice kill. Hit them up.
Giving my Oi! They're getting ready to blast me.
Buster rifle being fired.
Faster, Nazione. Taking that time down. Nobody look.
Oi! They're getting ready to blast me. Get 'em damaged. Ah, they got me. Nice shot though.
Hello?
Don't. I don't know what's gonna happen now. Just die, just die. Fast.
I just got back.
You remind me
No,
of
because
Slaw
we're both down. Can't die out.
Target here.
The
Yeah, wait.
motherfucker left the game.
Yeah, he screwed it.